how to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. So let's get started. Firstly, download Instagram on the new device. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android on the new phone and download the Instagram app. After you do so, make sure to log out your Instagram account from the previous device. Once you log your Instagram account out, then go to the new device and simply open the Instagram app you just downloaded. Tap login and enter your username, email, or phone number along with your password to sign in. If your two-factor authentication is enabled, you may need to verify your new device by entering a code sent to your email, phone, or authenticator app. After you do so, if you have multiple accounts linked in Instagram, ensure that you log in with the correct account details. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.